Welcome! Today I'll show you how to connect Huawei AM61 Sport with your TCL 20 Pro. First of all, need to turn on your AirPods, so press and hold this button. Then wait until indicators are blinking blue and red. It's going to pairing mode, so next up go into Bluetooth settings on your TCL. Then click to pair new device. And then choose this AirPods. So click, wait until pairing. Pair with AM61, click allow and pair. And that's it. Now we're pairing our Huawei AM61 with TCL 20 Pro. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.